everybody. Welcome to Better Pitch 2015 Berlin. In the coming 2 hours, we are going to listen to 9 startups pitches. Each of them gets 5 minutes to pitch with 3 minutes of commentary.
Hi. Our story begins with Paris. Or was it Paris? Hi, my name is Atanas and I'm the co-founder of Ingenio.
My name is Tobias. I'm one of the co-founders of Scenic, and we build natural user interfaces, tackling a $50 billion untapped market.
I'm Angelo, and this is Swakit. So let's talk about smart home today. Swakit makes your smart home fun and personal.
Hi everyone, I'm Ercan. I'm the co-founder of Monument.
I'm Julie, and I'm an Airbnb host. I love welcoming people from all over the world, but every time I rent out to guests, I have the same problem. The guest check-in. We build a network of cafes, which we turn into local reception desks.
I'm Amin, and this is the Angel from Insulin Angel, and we're here to present to you our solution to better live with diabetes. Diabetes comes with so many other challenges, and we decided to tackle 3 of these challenges.
Everyone around the world loves a cup of tea, but there's one problem, which is the electric kettle. We always overfill it, heating excess water and wasting energy. So Mito is a completely new innovative device that heats the liquid directly in the vessel of your choice.
I would like to congratulate all the startups.
And the winner is Insulin